Hey YouTube, what's up? It's Team Money. Has this ever happened to you? You trip over your Xbox One controller and it gets all messed up like this? Well, I'm going to teach you how to fix that. You're going to need a few tools if you're going to want this to work. So, basically what helped me out to get that out of my Xbox One was my needle nose pliers. You can use a flathead screwdriver, or this is very helpful, use a card. So if you don't want to ruin the mesh or plastic on your Xbox One, it won't ruin the finish. You're going to want to go in at like an angle, and once you find that, you can open it up like just like this. Then you're going to remove this piece right here. You're going to use your needle nose pliers. And there it is.